This video is officially sponsored by Radar Tech Tracking. Their services include GPS installation on small vehicles, large vehicles, and any kind of vehicles actually. Their amazing GPS trackers are able to track in real time, trace playback, give mileage reports of a speed alarm, ACC dictation, low battery alarm, and a lot more. Email radianmwetwa@gmail.com or basically contact the numbers showing below in order for you to get more information on their amazing GPS tracking services. With that being said, don't forget to use the promo code SAMPACHUNFUMBE in order for you to get a 10% discount on their amazing GPS tracking services. With that being said, let's get back into the video.
Hi guys, welcome to Sampa's channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Yeah.
Yo, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are living right. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I drop a new video. Alright, so this is something that you should know even before you start to trade Forex, okay? This is one skill that you need to have before you start trading Forex, and that skill is known as emotional intelligence. So, ladies and gentlemen, you might ask yourself, what the hell is emotional intelligence? Well, emotional intelligence is basically the awareness of learning how to control your emotions judiciously and empathetically. Now, I don't know what the hell empathetically means, so we're going to focus on judiciously. Now, judiciously, ladies and gentlemen, that word right there applies to you as a Forex trader or as a person that wants to get into Forex and learn how to trade. Judiciously is basically the ability of you learning how to judge situations according to your emotions. Okay, now if you're a Forex trader already, I'm sure you guys are relating with what I'm about to say. Situation, for example, you're trading. It doesn't matter what you're trading. The trade is going good. The trade is going really good. You're in profits. You market, you're in profits, and so on and so forth. And then you basically even reach your target. Maybe you've placed 3, 4, 5 trades, and your target was maybe $500 on that day. You've reached $500. You have reached $500, but yet because the market still looks so beautiful, so sexy, and you still want to make more money, you don't want to close your trades. Now, that's where that emotion comes in. The emotion is also known as greed in a way, but then, that emotion is very dangerous. It's very, very, very dangerous, especially if you're a person that has learned how to trade. Maybe that's your first ever profit. You make you don't want to close. You're still hoping, okay, it's still going to go up. It's still going to go up. And then in a matter of seconds, the market starts to go sideways. The market starts to drop. Let's say it was in a buy trend, and then it starts to, deplete in a sell trend. Once it starts to deplete in a sell trend, once you go into those losses and you feel shit, I'm about to hit my, my equity levels, for example, and then you close those trades quickly. Now you close in the loss. Once you've closed that trade or those trades, after 30 minutes, you see it bouncing back up again. You see it bouncing back up again. That means you lack emotional intelligence. And as a Forex trader, this kind of skill can be used in our daily life activities, maybe even relationships and so on and so forth. But me personally, I feel always the need to use it on the financial market when I'm doing my analysis and when I'm trading. So it's a very, 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 very important skill, and I feel like each and everybody should actually learn about it. So how do you master it, or how do you learn about it? So, ladies and gentlemen, given the fact that emotional intelligence kind of skill is not as easy to handle, there are a whole bunch of other ways you can try to handle it, because whether you like it or not, you cannot run away from it. Especially whether you're a professional. Okay, for professionals it's different because they have mastered it. But if you're not a professional and you're just getting in, you've been trading a year or such and such, you find it very hard in order for you to control it. Yeah, in profits, you might do some of that crazy stuff, and then you basically just feel weak in the knees once your trade goes sideways. Your heart drops to your stomach. Your heart drops to your stomach. All that loss on you. Yeah, stuff like that. It really happens, and then you end up blowing your whole account. I've seen people do that because they're expecting one trade they're going to make $10,000 just there and then. No. That's not how the market works. Remember, forex trading is actually a business. It's not a gamble. You need to learn these things step by step, and it takes time. If you ask me, it takes a lot of time. So you need to be a very patient kind of person, and you need to learn step by step. So there are so many ways to handle emotional intelligence on the forex market in particular. If you're a person that, let's say, drinks alcohol, let me be specific on this because I'm not advising you people start drinking alcohol if you don't drink. If you drink alcohol moderately means rarely, okay, something like that. If you drink alcohol rarely, I feel the best time for you to actually take that is when you're trading on the forex market. It depends on what kind of person you are. Me personally, I do drink alcohol. I love rum. Rum is my favorite. Bamboo rum is my favorite. So let's suppose the trade is fucking me up. I'll probably just pour myself a glass of rum and I'll just watch my trade go. I won't be worried about what happens next and stuff. I'll be super calm. Alright, I'll be super calm. So you need to actually know yourself on that level, saying, okay, moderately only drink when you're trading, okay? You reduce your emotions. That is if you're an intelligent person. If you're a dumb person, you might react differently, maybe even break your laptop. So yeah, trading again is not for weak-minded individuals. It's for super strong-minded individuals. Let me just be honest with you. So most of the forex traders understand there's a huge risk. They do understand that you can make $1 million in one day and you can lose $1 million in one day. That's the reason why you need to understand exactly what you're doing. Yeah. Another way to handle emotional intelligence, or rather to handle your emotions while you trade on the forex market, you've noticed a good trend. Again, the same situation. I feel when you're working out, you're in the gym, I feel like those are some of the best times that you can actually trade. Yep. Trust me, believe it or not, those are some of the best times you can actually trade. Yeah, you're working out, you're releasing your stress, you're getting your energy in, you're doing all these sorts of things. Then you've placed your trade, you don't basically forget about it, but then you place your trade, you're working out. When you find, you're in a loss, but you still believe in your strategy, 90% of the time, okay, let's put at 80%. 80% of the time, you still be confident in yourself and tell yourself, it's no problem, the market is going to go up. No pressure, and you continue working out. You reduce that stigma. You reduce that pressure. This is I'm talking about practical things and things that I've done experience-wise. So I do understand that. I hit the gym sometimes. I need to start going to the gym again, but yeah, that actually helps a lot when you're working out. With that being said, there are a whole bunch of other different kinds of methods also. The other method is probably discipline. Discipline in terms of you taking profit. You need to make a trading plan. Trading plans, I've been talking about trading plans since I don't know when. Trading plans are very, very, very vital in order for you to become a really good trader and a trader that's actually profitable. You need a trading plan. You need to know how much you want to get out of the market. When you analyze your market, things look great. You need to understand, saying, okay, this is going to give me such and such much peeps, and then I'm going to get such and such money out. If your target is $100, please don't go beyond $100. Just close it, walk away, come back tomorrow. Go through the charts, notice a good trend, enter again. enter again. That's how it's supposed to be. Have that kind of discipline where you, when you see a trend, just get what you're there for, because you're taking money out of the market. You're not negotiating nothing. You're taking money out of the market. So once you get there, know exactly how much you want to take out, and once you take out, stop, get in the second day or something like that. Me personally, that's how I trade, and it would depend on the kind of money that's in my broker account. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can try to handle that emotional intelligence. And then another quick announcement that I want to make is that for the Telegram group, there are now 3 Telegram groups actually. I haven't yet made one. I know in my previous video, a lot of you guys have been communicating and so on and so forth. But then I just want to let you guys know that the first group is a public group where I throw in signals sometimes, and there are a whole bunch of other people showing you different other strategies and so on and so forth. In that group in particular, you should understand and be very careful. I don't know everyone in that group. There are so many people. So at first I just used to post my link, just like I have done today. The link is in the description. You guys can just use the link and join. You don't need to text me for that one. You don't need to text me or ask me for a link or stuff. You can just join that group automatically, and you will be in the group. And then in that group, there are a whole bunch of different people, different kinds of characters. I think there are also scammers in that group. But when I notice a red flag, I always, block certain people, ban them, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, just be very careful. I do not recommend account management. I recommend learning how to trade on your own, so you make your own money and you lose your own money. I feel like that's better for you and for everybody involved. And then there is another group. This group is basically for forex beginners, people that know nothing about forex trading or trying to learn. It's 100% free also. This group, we have Zoom meetings. There are about 31 students right now in that group, or 31 subscribers. It's a Telegram channel group that you get to join, and 3 days in a week we get to post a Zoom link on which anybody interested can attend. And then we just basically teach people on how to trade. What is forex? Basically, we start with what is forex. It's actually me and my partner, known as Mr. Chuluba. This guy has formulated a whole course, I would say, teaching people on how to trade forex. We came together. I said, let's start this for free first. Let's start this for free. Let's teach these people what's up. Let's teach Africa how to trade. So basically, what is forex has been touched on. What is forex, and then what kind of software is to use and stuff like that. So it's going, we're formulating. We haven't yet got practical. We're still on the theoretical stage, I would say. So it's just teaching people verbally, and then people can also ask questions, but on Zoom meetings, on a Zoom call. Okay, so you guys have to gather the time. It's 20:30 Southern African time, 20:30 p.m. Southern African time. You can always join the Zoom meeting. Okay, and then also you can ask all the questions that you need. And then the third group was the one that I said would cost $10 membership fee every single month, which was a signal group. The signals only involving boom and crash and volatility index 75. So with that being said, that signal group, I haven't yet created it, but the numbers have been overwhelming. Everybody is literally asking me where they have to deposit that $10. It's like each one of you wants to just give me your money. Well, I don't need your money right now. That's the reason why I have not even created that group. I haven't created that group yet. I thought maybe we should start on the basis of teaching people for free. And then because I've noticed there are different people on different levels that watch my videos according to Forex, I will create that group where you guys will feel free to give me your money. I'll take your money, no problem. Your $10, I'll take your money. So over, 50 people have communicated to me on how to deposit. Well, I'm only going to be accepting Bitcoin because I do understand that there are so many people from different places that want to join, guys from Mauritius, Madagascar, whatever, all these different countries. So I feel like the best method that you can use for payments will be Bitcoins. Okay, Bitcoins. I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast. I love Bitcoin. It's going back up. I love what's happening in the cryptocurrency scene right now. So yeah, I will be doing Bitcoins. But with that being said, I'm yet to create that group. It is not created yet. For those people that are asking me, add me to the group, chill, hold on, just wait. I will make an announcement for that. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can join these two groups, the public group, you can join that, it's for free. You can also join the learning group, free forex trading learning lessons for 100% free. You can also join that group. Both links are in the description. Feel free to join us in the Zoom meetings. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to emphasize that with the Zoom meetings that we're going to be having on Forex, it just won't be Forex. Basically, there are also going to be days where we're just going to be choosing to talk about different things, but that have to do with the financial market. Basically, it's financial literacy as a whole. I would also like or really love to teach people about bitcoins and things like that, cryptocurrency, because it's sad to see the amount of people that still do not understand what bitcoin or cryptocurrency is. I knew about that probably 7 years ago, and I've studied that on a professional level, but then up to now there are a lot of people that still do not understand it. So with that being said, you will be having all this shit for free. Imagine all that stuff for free. So you're going to learn about bitcoins, basically all these different forms of financial literacies, and so on and so forth. So make sure you join that free lesson group. It's free for all. We're trying to educate Africa. You know what I mean? Everybody needs to be financially taught. This is some shit they never teach us in school. So with that being said, we're just taking part or leading in order for us to teach you, and people like free stuff, so it's free. So you guys could basically just get in, and we're going to be doing the Zoom meetings. Certain days we're going to be teaching different kinds of financial literacy knowledge, and this will benefit you a whole lot. So with that being said, make sure you join that group, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to this video. That actually helps this YouTube channel grow as a whole. With that being said, thank you and peace out. Once again, peace out. Bye.